To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Now we have a reaction coming in from AICC Chief Mallikarjun Kharge, who has stoked a controversy with his latest attack on the Prime Minister. He says no other Prime Minister barked like he does. So this is yet another low in the political discourse that we are seeing. Listen in to what exactly Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has to say about the Prime Minister.
ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣೋದು. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇಂಥ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡದೇ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ದೂರದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ವತ್ತದ ಟಿವಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ದಿನ ಎದ್ದು ಇವರಂಗೆ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪುರ ಅಂತ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಕೋಮುಗಳು ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಗಳು ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಅನೇಕ ಜನರ ಮನೆ ಸುಟ್ಟೋಗಿವೆ, ಆಸ್ತಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Joining us on the broadcast right now is Shehzad Poonawalla of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Good afternoon, Shehzad. Thank you for speaking with us here on Times Now. How will you like to respond to this statement coming in from Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge for the Prime Minister? He says he's only seen on TV. There's not a day that you don't see him on TV. Earlier, despite the government's own channel, Doordarshan being there, nobody used to bark on TV every day like him.
Prime Minister Modi comes from the OBC community. And time and again, Congress has shown its real pehchan, which is OBC Samaj ka apman, नीच, गंगू तेली, भस्मसूर, Hitler ki maut marega, kabr khudegi Modi ki. These are the abuses hurled at him because he's from OBC community. And Hina, you would remember recently this Kharge ji has said Murma for Draupadi Murmu ji. He has said COVID for Kovind ji. So संवैधानिक पदों का अपमान has become Congress की only पहचान. This is the mindset of the Congress that anybody who's from the SC, ST, OBC community who comes to a high constitutional position, Congress abuses them. And this is their real commitment towards these disenfranchised sections of society. When they arise and they come to the power in constitutional positions, Congress abuses them. This is because Rahul Gandhi has instructed Kharge ji that the more you abuse Rahul Gandhi, more you abuse Prime Minister Modi, the more you will get the power and you will be promoted. And therefore, this has become the habit of all Congress people. The OBC Samaj of this country will never forgive Kharge ji for his words, and the SC community also will not forgive him for what he has said about Draupadi Murmu ji.
All right, Shehzad Poonawalla, appreciate you speaking with us here on Times Now and sharing with us your perspective. Let me now go across to my colleague Neha Hebale joining us on the broadcast as well. Neha, like Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP was also mentioning, it's not the first time. Repeatedly, we are seeing, such language being used for constitutional posts, people at constitutional posts. And also, this is like a new low in political discourse, isn't it?
Well, that's right, Hina. Quite a shocking remark there that come in from Mallikarjun Kharge, the AICC president, wherein he's referring to the Prime Minister, of course, addressing, various rallies or addressing the media or addressing, a speech somewhere or the other in other parts of the country and the kind of media coverage that those speeches draw. But the context, rather, quite a distasteful statement there that's coming from him as he says that, no other Prime Minister has barked the way that Prime Minister Modi does on, the media every day. It's very unfortunate, of course, and not something that's going to go down quite well, we would suppose, in the political circles as well, with condemnation already pouring in from quarters of the Saffron Party.
Right. Stay on with us, Neha. Let's once again listen into what exactly Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge had to say.
ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾಣೋದು. ಒಂದು ದಿವಸ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಇಂಥ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ದೂರದರ್ಶನ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ವತ್ತದ ಟಿವಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ದಿನ ಎದ್ದು ಇವರಂಗೆ ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೊಗಳ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರು ದಿನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪುರ ಅಂತ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಕೋಮುಗಳ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಎರಡು ಟ್ರೈಬ್ಗಳ ಜಗಳ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇವೆ, ಅನೇಕ ಜನರ ಮನೆ ಸುಟ್ಟೋಗಿವೆ, ಆಸ್ತಿ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
All right. So this is what Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge had to say. Neha continues to be with us. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika as well, who's joining us live right now. Niyamika, BJP clearly saying that it is hate for Prime Minister Narendra Modi that we are seeing that is being displayed by several leaders of the Congress party, while Rahul Gandhi talks about Mohabbat ki dukaan. On the other hand, you have people like Mallikarjun Kharge and several others doing exactly the opposite. I mean, how does one even look at the kind of remark Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the president of the Congress party, who is a member of parliament as well, a very, very seasoned politician, using this kind of language for the Prime Minister?
Well, this is not the very first time when Mallikarjun Kharge, who's the Congress president, who has stoked the controversy when he was speaking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As earlier also we have seen that how he had made several comments against the Prime Minister, and this time also the manner in which he has given this statement that the way in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi barks, there was no other Prime Minister who had done this in the past. So that is the kind of a language which he has used while speaking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but clearly it has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the ideology of the Congress party, because the manner in which the statement which has started coming in on the part of the BJP, they are saying that it is not just an insult of Prime Minister, but it is also an insult to the OBC community as well, because our Prime Minister belongs to the OBC community, and using such kind of language against him, that means he is also insulting the entire community. So for that reason, it has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the Congress party's mindset as well. In the past also, Mallikarjun Kharge had given a controversial remark against the president of our country, in fact regarding Prime Minister as well, and for that reason now it seems it will be really interesting to see that how the Congress party is going to react over it, whether they are going to justify this statement which is being given by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, because he was also mentioning about the manner in which Prime Minister Narendra Modi hasn't spoken anything regarding Manipur, as he was saying that there are so many communal violence which is going on in the state of Manipur. There are rapes happening there, but Prime Minister is busy only to speak on TV when there is one particular channel which used to be there. So while speaking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the word which he has used has clearly given an opportunity to the BJP. But now it seems really interesting that how the Congress party is going to justify this entire matter, how they are going to justify this kind of a language which is being used by the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge when he was actually talking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Niyamika, does it look like a well thought out strategy of the Congress party? Because like we were discussing earlier also, it's not the first time really that a remark like this has been made for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And in the past as well, we have seen similar kind of statements coming in from several top leaders of the Grand Old Party. So is it part of a strategy? Because it can't really be a slip of tongue also. He's a seasoned politician and he's the president of the Grand Old Party.
Well, like like you said, in the past, whenever this kind of statement has been given by Mallikarjun Kharge, every time the Congress party justifies it by saying that it is nothing but just a slip of tongue on the part of Mallikarjun Kharge when he was actually speaking about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But this time he was actually, explaining this entire issue. Whatever he was trying to say is that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is completely silent regarding the Manipur, what the Congress president is claiming, as he has stated that there is communal tensions which are going on between the two tribes in the state of Manipur. Rapes are happening against women, but it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who is completely busy while speaking to the media, while speaking to one particular channel of media, and that is the only reason why he has used that particular word, barked, as we were also, telling our viewers regarding this entire statement of Mallikarjun Kharge. But saying this kind of a word, using this kind of a word against a prime minister, we should also need to, tell our viewers that it is not right on the part of Congress president as well, because prime minister is a kind of a post which must be, respected by each and every member of parliament as well, because Mallikarjun Kharge is not just the Congress president, but he is also the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, and using such kind of language against the prime minister is not right at all. So that's why I am saying that it will be really interesting to see that whether Congress party is actually going to justify this statement, or what kind of response will be coming in on the part of Congress.
Wait and see how the other leaders of Congress party will really react to this. Niyamika, I request you to stay on with us. Let's now listen into this reaction we've got from the BJP. Here's what Shehzad Poonawala has to say.
संवैधानिक पदों का अपमान यही बन चुकी है कांग्रेस पार्टी की पहचान। जिस प्रकार की शब्दावली खड़गे जी ने प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के लिए अभी इस्तेमाल की है, वो दोहराई भी नहीं जा सकती। पर एक ओबीसी समाज से व्यक्ति प्रधानमंत्री बनता है, चाय वाला प्रधानमंत्री बनता है, तो कांग्रेस जो केवल परिवारवाद में और परिवार तंत्र में विश्वास रखती है, वो संविधान तंत्र को गाली देती है। 150 से ज्यादा गालियां प्रधानमंत्री जी की जाति को लेकर, परिवार को लेकर, समाज को लेकर उन्होंने दी है। नीच, गंगूतेली, भस्मसूर, मरजा मोदी, हिटलर मोदी, कब्र खुदेगी मोदी की इस प्रकार की भाषा इस्तेमाल करते हैं। और खड़गे जी तो वो है जो कभी सनातन को लेकर भी आपत्तिजनक टिप्पणी करते हैं, कभी संवैधानिक संस्थाओं को लेकर भी, जैसे द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी को अभी उन्होंने मुर्मा कहा, उन्होंने आदिवासी समाज का अपमान किया, उन्होंने कोविंद जी को कोविड जी कहा, उन्होंने।
And thank you very much, Niyamika, as well as Neha. Appreciate both for joining us with your inputs on this particular story. We'll, of course, be tracking this closely ahead as well. For now, slipping into a very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.